An Americano, a very, very old classic cocktail. I think it was created in Venice, and it was created...
For an Americano or by an Americano?
No, for an Americano, because the bartender noticed that all the American tourists love drinking this cocktail. The main ingredient, it's very easy to make. You make it right in the glass. It's got 3 ingredients, basically. So Campari, if you don't know what it is, it's like a very, very famous Italian aperitif. I love it, but it is very bitter. It's sort of
It is the central ingredient of a Negroni.
Yes, the central ingredient of a Negroni.
And if you like an Aperol Spritz, I'm just helping him sell.
Here she goes.
And if you like an Aperol Spritz, Aperol is like the lady version of Campari. So if you like Aperol, chances are you like Campari.
She's my wife and my footnote.
Or just the backseat driver to your cocktail.
Anyway, it's a very bitter acquired taste. And this cocktail is the perfect way to sort of introduce yourself to it if you haven't had it before. So basically, you're gonna, right in the glass, do equal parts Campari. Try not to pour it all over the counter because it stains. And there I did it, just like I said.
That was a self-fulfilling prophecy, by the way.
Then we're gonna soften it up a little bit with, this is just red vermouth or sweet vermouth.
Which is fortified wine.
Fortified wine, and that's the same amount of Campari, the same amount of red vermouth in your glass and on your table. And then, just want to stir that a little bit, sort of combine them.
Oh, you really did stain the whole counter, didn't you?
This is called the messy Americano. Top it off with club soda. That's it. I mean, how much easier could it be?
Can I just get in here before the red stains the counter the color of a ladybug?
Get in there. And then you garnish it. The traditional garnish is an orange, just a little orange peel. I use the vegetable peeler. And just twist it over the glass like that. And then I like to express the oils of the orange peel into the cocktail.
That sounds medical or like a trip to the vet for me.
Here is your Americano.
Just say you just twist it over the glass, it's fine.
Twist it over the glass. You don't like when I say express the oils?
No, I don't. No. Can I have my glass jar? We're not supposed to use paper straws. These were a gift, but...
Oh.
All right, well, it's in there now, so I'm going to stick with it.
Okay, I won't use a straw. How about that?
Cheers, honey.
Cheers, everybody. It's the Americano.